Yeah, so today I'm doing some curry chicken back and white rice. I just got the rice on right there, as you can see. Now it is steaming down fully. Yes, look really shelly. Give it a few more minutes. Yes, in between time, me I go and roast a little plant and thing. Now it's time to get on the chicken back. Yeah, I'm gonna eat some of this. Yeah, man, right now I go and stir it up and I go and make sure so everything go and stir fry, Yeah, man, and get down to the right level. Then I add in some water and thing, make it go and simmer down, So it might be simmering down for a little while. Yeah. Alright, now it reached down to a level now we cook down and marinate. That's what I call it, or render down. Yeah, fully render down right now. Yeah, up and running. So this is the final result, as you can see. Tell me what you think.